Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to tell you about our commercial and industrial plumbing services. Commercial plumbing is a specialized field that many plumbers simply aren't equipped or trained to handle. We invest in high-level training and we keep commercial parts in stock so we are prepared to tackle whatever plumbing issues you encounter. Give us a call if you need a quote on any of the following: water main repairs, fire hydrant repair or replacements, backflow testing repairs or replacement, drain cleaning, leak detection, drinking fountain service or replacement, commercial water heater repair and installations, toilet and urinal repairs or replacement, faucet installation repairs and replacement services, and any plumbing emergency. Here at ER Plumbing, we're accustomed to handling complex and large-scale commercial plumbing projects. We'll take care of your plumbing needs so you can focus on running your business. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.